Most wellness practitioners are building their practice backwards, even the successful ones. They don't realize it until the burnout hits, the income plateaus, and the joy is gone. And it's not because they aren't doing enough or because they lack the clinical skill set. After coaching thousands of practitioners over 20 years, I can tell you that nearly all practice building challenges are because of two core things. Number one is that your mind is working against you in ways you might not even realize or know how to fix. This is why stress, overthinking, second guessing, perfectionism, or playing too small are sabotaging your success. And number two is that you don't have a system that fills your schedule with ideal clients or patients every single day. And because of this, you feel like you're spinning your wheels on an emotional roller coaster of highs and lows, never feeling stable in your income. And instead of being driven by the passion for your work, you're focused on just getting by each month, stuck in a cycle of surviving instead of thriving. But here's the good news: there is a better way to build your practice, one that fills your schedule with ideal clients, stabilizes your income, and reignites your passion for your work. After years of trial and error and testing every strategy under the sun, I finally cracked the code. I've distilled it all into three simple shifts that unlock your income, amplify your impact, and help you step into the most powerful version of yourself. I call it the Practice Upgrade. It's a 23-minute workshop that will show you exactly how to stand out in your industry and attract premium clients who are willing to invest. If you're ready to finally stand out, attract aligned, high-quality clients, and become the version of yourself that success has been waiting for, click the link below. Your next level isn't as far off as it feels. This workshop is completely free, but it's not for everyone. It is for practitioners who are ready to stop spinning their wheels and start building a practice that supports their life, not the other way around. If that's you, click the link below and start watching the workshop within the next few seconds.